Okay, I wanted to make a video on how to change the battery in the smoke detector. First, I think you just heard it's beeping quite loudly. So one thing, so that's a great indicator on that your smoke detector needs to be changed. The other indicator is you should see a red flashing light. I don't know if you saw it, but you should see a red flashing light. I mean, if you have multiple smoke detectors, it may be hard to determine which smoke detector is making a chirping sound, because it was hard for me to determine until I looked at the light indicator in all the smoke detectors in my home, and I had to see a red flashing light. I think you just saw it, to know which smoke detector was needing a battery change. So what I'm about to do is show you how to change the battery in your smoke alarm or smoke detector when the battery needs to be changed. As you can see, there's a little lever. So you just push that lever, it opens up, and you pull out the battery that's bad. And I kind of look at the position. You see the big head is on the left, and the smaller one is on the right. So I have the new battery, and as I mentioned, the big head is on the left, and the small head is on the right. So I just put it in there, the exact same way. Okay, I put the new battery in. So all you do, close it up, and that's how you change it. So you shouldn't hear any more chirping from the battery. Should be, it should resolve that.